Hi students, welcome to the another class of social science. In previous class, I started the lesson, that is block 1, shifting families. In the shifting families, in that previous class, I have completed 2 points. Those are changing families and changes in a family. In that class I told you about family, joint family, nuclear families, and how joint families break up into nuclear families. What are the reasons? And also I told about the changes in a family. It means after becoming nuclear family, what are the changes takes place in the nuclear families? That also we have learnt in that class. So today we are going to learn one more topic, that is reasons for migration. Yesterday I told the word migration. I told during when I was telling about the changing families. Why joint families break up into nuclear families? In that I told the reason migration. The meaning of migration: people move away from one place to other place to settle down for period of time. Here people move from one place to another place. For that there are many reasons that you are going to learn in this class, that is reasons for migration. What are the reasons for migration? Here there are two reasons are there. One is migrate by choice. It means some families migrate by choice, their own choice. And another one point, migrate by force. Some families have to migrate by force, forcibly they have to migrate. So let me explain first point, that is migrate by choice. Here some families choose to move to new city or for new country because to get good job or better paying job. It means where they get good salary, there they like to move. Or one more reason, to get better education. To provide good education for children, some families may move to the new city or new country. So this is about the families migrate by choice. And next point is migrate by force. Some families have to migrate by force. What is this force? Here, because of natural disaster. The meaning of disaster is a sudden event that causes loss for property and lives. Here there are 3 natural disasters are there, like flood, drought and earthquake. First one is flood. In Kannada we say pravahagalu. Flood occurs when it rains heavy, the river water overflows. When river water overflows into cities and villages, it destroys the property of people. Then there is no way for people. They have to migrate to new place where it is safer. So it is also one of the disaster. It makes the people to migrate another place. Next disaster is drought. It means baragala. When people don't get proper rainfall, proper rain, then they cannot start their agriculture activities. They face the problem of lack of food. They don't get the food for themselves and their animals like cow, buffaloes, So they can't give food for those animals also. That time also people migrate to new place to find new job. Last one, earthquake. Earthquake nothing but in Kannada we call it bhukampa. It also destroys the people property. They lose everything. If they face the problem of earthquake, they lose or it destroys the complete property of the people. And during that time also people migrate to new place. So these are the reasons, that is migrate by force. In these cases people migrate forcibly. They don't want to leave their hometown, but also they have to go because of these disasters. And one more is there, that is war. War also make people to move or migrate to new place. During the war they like to be themselves safer, in safe side. So to make themselves safer they migrate to new place. So these are the reasons for migration. The next point is effects of migration. I told in the previous point why people migrate from one place to another place. Now after migration what problems they face? Yes, everybody cannot adjust with the new place. Some people they can adjust with the new place. They may get good job, they may get good salary in that job, and also they may get good house, and they can adjust very comfortably in that house or in that particular place. But some people may face many problems when they move to the new place. So what are those effects? First one is they may not be able to find a suitable well-paying job. When people move to new place, they have to find new job. That job may be comfortable or not, who knows. If they not get well-paying job, it means well-paying in the sense they may not get good salary in that job. It is not sufficient to lead life in that particular place. So that is also one of the problem they may face. And next one is they may not be able to find a good house. When the people migrate to new place, they may not get good house. Before they used to live, maybe they used to live in good family, joint family with a big house, all the facilities. But when they migrate to new place, if they don't get proper house, they may get small house. They cannot adjust in that place. So that problem also they may face. Next one is they may have to travel long distance to school or work. So when they migrate to new place, they find new house. That house may be very far from their working place, or it may be far from the school where their children go to school. That school may be very far. Every day they have to travel very long distance. That is also one problem. So like this they may face more distance to travel from one place to their working place. Next one is they may not be able to understand the language spoken in the new place. When we go to new place, maybe our language is different what they speak in the new place. They may not understand that language. Language problem also the people may face when they migrate to new place. The next effect of migration, they may not have friends in the new place and may feel lonely. When people migrate to new place, their and that about that place they are unknown. They don't know anybody in that particular place. For example, you think you studied till 5th standard in Gangavati in a little art school. If you go to another place, you have to join in new school. When you go to first school for first day, how do you feel? You feel like you don't have any friends. Yes, nobody is there to help me. Like that you feel, no? In the same way, when people migrate to new place, they are unknown of that particular place. Nobody helped them in the beginning. During that time, they feel lonely. So, this is also one of the problem people may face. Last one, the climate of the new place may not suit them. When the people migrate to new place, the climate may change. The place where they stay or their hometown. In the hometown, the climate will be changed. When they move to new place, their climate may be changed. So, they cannot adjust with that new place climate. That is also one problem. They may face that problem also. So, these are the effects of migration. When people migrate to new place, they may face these problems, or they may not face any problem. They can adjust. Some people can adjust with that particular place very easily. So, this is about the block 1, shifting families. So, in this lesson you learnt the 4 major units. Those are changing families. Second unit, changes in a family. Third one, reasons for migration. And last one, effects of migration. So, I hope all of you understood the lesson. Let's meet in the next session of social science. Thank you.